So this is a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we used the Nav TV SVS6 camera switcher piece and took out the factory radio, which is right here, installed a double DIN Pioneer AVH 270 BT, and we also installed cameras on the mirrors, a reverse camera and a front camera, which are activated different ways. Randy, can you go ahead and put on the front camera by turning on that switch? And you guys can see that's what's in front of the car. That's what's in front of the car. And then put it in reverse. And that's outside of our shop. That's what's behind the car. And then put on the right blinker. This is what's behind us, and this is what's the camera is picking up. And then when you put on the left blinker, it picks up the left blind spot. It's the Nav TV piece. What piece is it again, Randy?
SVS6.
SVS6. Done at Tint World in Naples.